Look at this. There, see. Oh, apparently they steal your glasses. Mr. Putra.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Very good.
Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. Okay guys, so as you can make out, we've just reached the Uluwatu temple. This place is beyond beautiful. When I say this, I mean you just saw the shots. I'm going to show you some insane shots that I captured. And oh wow, look at this. Unbelievable. That was a little bit of the view, and now the temple is right over there. I don't know if you can, I can't really point, but we got to climb up all the way over there to get to the temple. And from what I can make out, it's really beautiful. Super sunny actually right now. Oh yeah, one more thing you guys need to know, and this is very important because it just happened in front of me. Monkeys are a big problem over here. So apparently they steal your glasses or your mobiles and they run away, and then what they do is if you want it back, you need to bribe them with food. So they are trained to do that. So you guys need to be very careful if you come over here of monkeys. Don't leave your sunglasses hanging over here or something like that. There, see. Oh, almost. You see over there, a monkey's taken some guy's hat. I don't know if from the GoPro you can't really make out, but can you see that monkey? There's a monkey over there, he's playing with a cap. So like I said, be very, very careful. These monkeys here are trained to do all this. So weather over here is pretty humid, and as you can tell, I'm sweating like crazy, but the views are to completely die for. Okay guys, so we're almost done with this place now. This is a really amazing temple. The views are to die for. I never really expected such views. I didn't even find these views on Google when I did research about this place, but a must do, the Uluwatu temple. Keep that in mind.